Said I could sleep at your house, but you aren't answering your phone or your Snapchat or your Instagram, so I'll just wait here until then. Open up, sweetie. I made pie. Looks like they're delivering something. I'm going to litter on your front porch. Apple. I'm a pizza. Please kill me. Abracadabra. Alakazam. Baby Killets. Banana. Oh. I'm a pizza, I'm a pizza, boo! Wendy's Baconator. Review. Time. Come on, Thomas. Thomas, go. Go, Thomas. Go. Go, Thomas. Go. Go, Thomas. Go. I got him. Cat review. 10 out of 10. Christmas donuts. Donut review time. The fastest gun in the West. Howdy. Want to buy some earbuds? Little carousel. Wow, it's a real life carousel. Wow. Oh boy. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're still on my porch. No, it's not a real Ferris wheel. You thought. French fry. Yum. I drank too much Sprite, I think. Sometimes I wish I could just stop time. Life is moving too fast, you know. Other times I wish I could skip time. You know, leave certain periods of my life behind as fast as possible. Check it out. It's a little stuffed Garfield with a little Santa hat. Laughing, crying emoji. Shut up! mom. Ooh. Magic. Presto. Meow, meow, meow. Merry Christmas. I got you some ankle weights. Yay! Christmas. Hello? Moon cheese, made with real moon. New sunglasses, check. Hello? Do you like them? Hello? Oh my god, I just took this kid's nose. Oh my god. Wait, you still have your nose though. Onion. That party mix hit different on a crisp Tuesday afternoon. Peanut. Popeyes Fanta. Shopping time. Spoon, 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 spoon. This is Bingus. Everybody say hi, Bingus. Time to brush your teeth. Unfortunately, the only time we can appreciate the good moments, our childhood memories, nostalgia, is when they're finally gone. Check it out, I built a tiny snowman. His name is Gerald. Want a Sprite cranberry? Letter, we just got a letter, we just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Looks like it's the bank. I'm losing my house. Wear a mask. I have a lot of anxiety right now. You might have a lot of worry, have a lot of pent-up emotion, but you will never have as large of a Spider-Man tattoo collection as me. Beat that. Me drinking the coldest water bottle. That's good. Me drinking regular. Ew, you stink! Hey. Hello, traveler. I come with the big bag. Hey, I'm playing Pokemon Go, and it says there's a really rare Pokemon in your backyard. So, Squirtle, 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 Squirtle. Day 1 of not being allowed to say any swear words. Day 2 of not being allowed to say... Admit it, I sound like Chase Rutherford. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy. Don't tell me otherwise. I'm a cowboy. You think you have a lot of baggage? I'm cursed to carry this book around for the rest of my life. And if I don't, I die. Oh, shit. I'm a pizza. I'm deeply sad. There's nowhere left to run. Death is